Hello viewers, good morning. Welcome back to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. So we are almost at the end of the week. So today I have some dress materials, some 10 dress materials. The dress material fabric is jacquard cotton and it has embroidery work on the top, and the bottom is plain cotton, and the dupatta is chiffon dupatta. The top meter is 2.5, the bottom meter is 2 to 2.15 it will come, and the dupatta is 2.25. The dupatta is printed chiffon dupatta. So the price of these materials is 650 rupees. Shipping charges is extra, that is 60 within Tamil Nadu and 100 rest of the India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees wherever within India. Okay. So we ship over international also. The shipping charges will be varying. So please check for the international shipping charges personally in my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I have mentioned it in the description field also. So now I will move with the collections. Yeah, so this is a maroon based color, maroon color. It has in all the embroideries, all the top will be having embroidery works. So yeah, so this is the top. It's a maroon color with this color of dupatta, pant, and the dupatta. The dupatta is printed chiffon. The fabric of the dupatta is chiffon. Okay, and this is the set number 1. Yeah, the shawl length is 2.25 and the top is 2.5 and the bottom is 2. All these are priced at 650 rupees. There is a mild color variation in the video. The actual color is maroon, it's not red. Okay, this is set number 1. It has these works or embroidery. These are embroidery. So I will give you the look. So these are all embroidered. The fabric is jacquard cotton. Okay, so the price is 650. This is set number 1. Okay, next I am moving with the next set. This is the second one. It's a yellow with coffee brown color. So this is the work. It has the yoke part work also, so that you can stitch it. If you not need, you can remove this also. So this is the work in the top, and the bottom color is contrasting. It's a coffee brown color. So this is the bottom and this is the dupatta. The fabric is pure cotton. So actually the fabric is very premium only. So this is how the dress material will be looking. So this is the yoke part. This is also embroidered, and this is the dupatta. Okay, so this is set number 2. And the color is again, it's little varying. It's actually dark yellow color. It's not light yellow, it's dark yellow color. I will try to show it in closer view so that the color will be replaced. No, the color is not coming correct. So this is the second set. It's a dark yellow color. I will post the picture in the after the live video so that you can refer to the picture if you want the exact color to be viewed. And this is the third one. It's a coffee brown with orange shade, and it has the sleeve. In the sleeve part also you have the embroidery. This is the sleeve part actually. So this is the top. It's a coffee brown. In the yoke part alone you will be having the embroidery, and in the border you have the embroidery. and this is the bottom, and this is the dupatta. This is the third set. Okay, it's actually coffee brown, it's a grayish brown color. Okay, it's grayish brown with orange combination. Price is 650. This is the third set. Please take up the screenshot for the enquiries. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. And this is the next one. It's a red. Okay, so it has a full embroidery work. All of them are the embroidery design that has been done in the top, and this is the dupatta. So it's actually olive green, black color. It's a black and royal blue combined. The combination is that one, and the color is fuchsia red color. It's a pinkish red. The color is pinkish red. It's not completely full red. Okay, this is the next set. The top meter is 2.5. The bottom is 2 to 2.15. It will come. And the dupatta is 2.25. The top and the bottom is cotton. The top is jacquard cotton. The dupatta fabric is printed chiffon. Okay, so this is the next set. So all the top has the embroidery, only a few has less embroidery work, but the fabric is very premium. This is the bottom and this is the top. All over you have this kind of embroidery, the flower embroidery and the mango designed embroidery. And this is the dupatta. This is how the dress material will be looking. It's a orange with pink, multicolored, orange, blue and pink or green in the dupatta it will be coming. The top and the bottom will be orange with light orange. It's not dark orange, it's light orange with pink combination. It's not red. Okay. The price of all these dress materials is 650. Shipping charges is extra. 16 within 60 within Tamil Nadu, and rest of the India it is 100. COD is also available. So again, this kind of dress materials, whichever having the design only in the yoke part, will have the design in the sleeve part also. So this is the sleeve part. You can look for the embroidery design in the sleeve part. Okay. So this is again a dark brown color, a coffee brown shade, dark brown. This is dark coffee brown shade. Okay. The previous one which we have shown is a light coffee brown. So this is how it's a pure chiffon. The fabric, the dupatta fabric is pure chiffon. Okay. So this is how the dress material will be looking. The dupatta has the borders also. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's 650. The price is 650 plus shipping. You have the design embroidered. It's not printed. It's embroidered in the yoke part. And in the sleeve also you have full embroidery work. This is embroidery, not printed. I am repeating again. Okay. This is the next one. Please take up the screenshot for the enquiries. All the top is jacquard woven. So hope you can able to see the weaving. It's jacquard weaving. Okay. I'm showing the back for your reference. Okay. The weaving which I shown is back because front is embroidered. You might not able to see the jacquard weaving. So this is how the top will be looking. It's again fully embroidered in the body part and in the border part also. And this is the bottom. Bottom is plain. It's a plain cotton. Chiffon is the dupatta is a chiffon printed chiffon dupatta. So this is how the dress material will be looking. So this is how the shawl also will be looking. It's a pure chiffon. Okay, this is the dress material. So the price of these dress materials is 650. Shipping charges is extra. The fabric is the top pure cotton, jacquard cotton, and the bottom is pure cotton. Dupatta is printed chiffon dupatta. So this is the next one. It's a orange with red combination. It has a full embroidery work. Okay, in the sides you have this kind of small rangoli embroidered, and in the excuse me, center part you have the full flower embroidery work. It's orange and the bottom is red. So this is the bottom, and the dupatta again orange and red combined. So this is how the dupatta will be looking. Okay, so if you want to place any order, it's actually a thick orange. It's not bright orange, it's orange. Okay, it's not brighter orange as like in the video. The color red and orange is lighter shaded. It's not that much brighter. Okay, please take the screenshot for the enquiries. If you want to place any orders or if you want to have any enquiries, please bring up with the screenshot. Okay, you can refer all my collections in my catalog also. If you go to the WhatsApp and if you check my WhatsApp profile, I have listed each and every designs in the WhatsApp catalog. So if you can have a look, and if you are interested in any product, you can let me know for the details. So this is the next one. It has a full design in the yoke part. This is an entirely different design. So this is the yoke part. You have the entire design in the yoke part, and in the border you have only the patchwork. And this is the bottom. It's a royal blue with dark red. It's a blood red color. Okay. And this is the dupatta. All of them are priced at 650. It's actually a dark red. It's not the bright red. Okay. For the actual colors, please refer to the images. If you want to have any more real images also, you can ping me in my WhatsApp number. I will share you more images on the particular sets. So this is a sky blue color. With a lemon yellow combination. So again a full embroidery with jacquard weaving. So this is the bottom, and this is the dupatta. So this is a sky blue color with light lemon yellow color combination. Please take up the screenshot. I'm clearly showing you how the each and every dress materials will be looking. The top meter is 2.5, the bottom is 2.2. It will be 2 to 2.1 roughly, approximately I am saying. It's 2 meter to 2.15 meter, and the dupatta is 2.25 meters. Okay. And this is a pink with orange shade. So it has the embroidery, and this also has a foil mirror work in the embroidery. So this is the yoke part. You can see the yoke part. It has the foil mirror work also in the yoke part. And this is the bottom. It's a plain orange. And this is the dupatta. It's a orange with pink. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a pink with orange combination. So it's a very lovely design in the yoke part also. I'm moving with the next one. So this is the last one. It's a sea green color with royal blue combination. Yeah, it has this kind of embroidery all over the body and a plain cotton bottom and a royal blue with sea green combined chiffon dupatta. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's sea green. It's not blue. It's not sea blue. It's sea green color. It's reflecting a different shade due to the lighting. So this is all the collections that I have for today. All the dress materials are priced is 650 rupees. The fabric, I am repeating again, the top is a jacquard cotton, meter is 2.5 and the bottom is plain cotton and the meter is 2 to 2.15 approximately, and the dupatta is pure chiffon printed dupatta and the meter is 2.25. The price is 650 rupees. All the dress materials are priced is 650 rupees. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu, and rest of India it is 100, and the COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. So this is all I have for today. So have a happy weekend. I will be coming up with the next new sets of collection by next week. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.